dahil sa ulan, indoors, exercise na lang si Mami. Ano man nga nang napamanay price sa Lee Plaza Dipolog. Lee Plaza Dipolog. Baliktad na kaya na yung price. Lee Plaza Dipolog yan binili. 5 kilos. 5 kilos weight. Yan. Para pang indoor exercise. Okay, sit up. For the beginner, 5 good repetition lang. Okay? And then after that, 5 seconds rest. 60 seconds rest or 1 minute, and then proceed to yak-kayak for 3 set, tatlong set. Okay, are you ready?
Ready.
Okay, go. Sit up. 1 2 3 4 5. Hold. Very good. Rest 60 seconds. Alright. Yak-kayak. Half, yan. Half body lang. Go. 1 2 3 1 1 2 3 2 1 2 3 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 ready, hold up, very good. 60 seconds rest. Second set, sit up, go. Sit up. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Rest 60 seconds. Okay, second set for yak-kayak. Up, ganyan. Go. 1 2 3 1 1 2 3 2 1 2 3 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 ready, hold. Ready, very good. For second set, tapos na. So, rest 60 seconds for third set. Okay, last set for sit up with 5 kilos weight. Go. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Very good. 60 seconds rest. Okay, last set for yak-kayak. Go. 1 2 3 1 1 2 3 2 1 2 half body 3 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 ready, hold. Very good. Okay, finish. What can you say about this exercise?
Pinagpawisan ako ng maraming singot.
Very good. Go.